Hello automators. The most boopable home automation gadget, the Flic button, just got an update and now allows us to pair it with Samsung SmartThings. I'm going to show you how to pair SmartThings with Flic. Because of how SmartThings works, we need to create scenes to pair with the Flic. Let's start by making a scene. No, not that kind of scene. A SmartThings scene. Open your SmartThings app and go into Scenes. Hit the little plus sign and name your scene. Next, select the devices you want to include in the scene. Have it pull the blinds, dim the lights, and turn on the lights on the Christmas tree that you haven't taken down yet, because why would you? You've waited this long and Christmas is going to happen again in 6 months anyways. Okay, we have a scene created and now we can pair the Flic with the Hub. You can only be logged into your SmartThings account on one Flic Hub at a time. This is important if you've built a shrine of Flic Hubs in your home or something. I don't actually know why you'd have more than one. But it's good to know if you have multiple locations set up with the Flic Hub. Open up your Flic app, select the button you want to pair a scene with, and what type of button press you want the scene set to. Then select Samsung SmartThings and hit Add Scene. Holy S's Batman! You'll have to log into your SmartThings account, grant the Flic access, then select the scene you want paired to that button. Once set up, you'll be able to control the entire scene automation with a flick of the wrist and a boop of the Flic.
Enjoy the show.
If you're looking at picking up a Flic but have one of the hubs with the disembodied voice of a woman instead of SmartThings, we have a video covering how Flic can work with that. Thanks for watching.